When Emma traveled through Europe, she quickly discovered something special. Food wasn't just food, it was a story, a feeling, a culture. First stop? Italy. In Italy, meals felt like warm hugs, simple, fresh, full of heart. She tasted margherita pizza in Naples, spaghetti in Rome, tomatoes, basil, garlic, olive oil, pure joy. Italian food was about tradition, family, sharing, love. Then she went to France. And suddenly, food became art. Precise, delicate, beautiful. She had buttery croissants for breakfast, coq au vin for dinner, and desserts, macarons crème brûlée, like edible masterpieces. French chefs cared about technique, sauces, timing, presentation, perfection. Italian food spoke of joy and comfort. French cuisine whispered elegance and detail. Both were unforgettable. But as Emma learned, it's not just what's on the plate, it's how it makes you feel. So tell me, which one would you choose for your perfect dinner? Italian warmth or French elegance?